Have you ever noticed your dog scratching more in the summer and wondered if it's just the heat? Or maybe you've seen those tiny black specks in your pet's fur and thought, please, don't be fleas. If you've been there, you're not alone. And today we're going to talk about exactly why summer might look like fun in the sun. But for our pets, it can be a total nightmare. Before we jump in, tell us in the comments where you're watching from and what time it is where you are. We love hearing from you, and it helps build our awesome community. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more natural and affordable pet care tips just like this one. Let's get into it. Who doesn't love summer, right? The warm weather, the sunshine, more time outdoors, and that undeniable feeling that life just feels better. But while we're soaking up the rays, our four-legged friends might be silently suffering. You've probably heard the phrase, the dog days of summer. But have you ever stopped to wonder what it actually means? Some people think it's just a cute way of saying that dogs are lazy when it's hot out, but there's more to it. Imagine wearing a fur coat outside on a 90-degree day. Yeah, not exactly relaxing. Now layer onto that the invasion of fleas and ticks, parasites that thrive in warm weather and can turn your pet's summer into an itchy, uncomfortable, even dangerous time. Fleas and ticks are more than just annoying. They carry diseases, they bite constantly, and they reproduce at an insane rate. A single flea can lay up to 50 eggs per day, and yes, they can infest your home too. Your couch, your carpet, your bed, nothing is safe. What's worse is that fleas can lie dormant for months and strike just when you think your pet is safe. Plus, when threatened, they can jump over a foot in a single leap. That's like a human jumping over a school bus. So what do most people do? They run to the pet store or their vet, grab the first anti-flea product they see, and hope for the best. But here's the truth. Not all flea treatments are created equal, and using the wrong one can harm your pet. That's why in today's video, we're giving you a safe, natural, inexpensive alternative. It's a DIY flea and tick spray you can make at home in minutes using ingredients you probably already have. Ready for the recipe? Here's what you'll need. 200 milliliters of apple cider vinegar, about 6.7 ounces. 1½ teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, to 3 tablespoons of warm water. Simple, right? Here's how to make it. Start by mixing the apple cider vinegar, salt, and baking soda together. Be careful, it might fizz a little at first. Pour the mixture into a clean spray bottle. Add the warm water and give it a good shake. That's it. Now let's talk about how to use it. Spray your pet generously, focusing on areas where fleas and ticks love to hide. Around the ears, legs, tail, and neck. Don't be afraid to get in there with your hands and rub it through their fur. You can even use a comb to help remove bugs the spray may have missed. And here's a tip. Make this a bonding ritual. Your dog or cat will learn to love the attention, and regular brushing not only keeps them cleaner, it actually helps prevent future flea and tick problems. But wait, important safety note. Before using this spray on your pet, always do a patch test first. Here's how. Spray a small amount on a patch of fur and skin, wait 24 hours, and observe for any signs of irritation like redness or discomfort. Every pet is unique, and even natural ingredients can cause reactions in rare cases. If everything looks good, you're ready to go. Use the spray a few times a week during flea season, or whenever you notice signs of itching, biting, or restlessness. And one more bonus? This spray doesn't just fight fleas and ticks. It also leaves your pet's fur soft, fresh-smelling, and super touchable. Now let's talk prevention. Because getting rid of fleas is great, but keeping them away is even better. Here are a few things you can do today to make your home and pet less inviting to these creepy crawlers. Vacuum regularly, especially where your pet sleeps. Wash bedding, blankets, and pet toys often with hot water. Keep your lawn trimmed and dry. Fleas love moist, shady spots. Add natural flea-repelling plants to your yard, like lavender or rosemary. Maintain your pet's grooming routine. Clean pets are harder targets for fleas and ticks. If you've ever gone through a full-blown flea infestation, you know how frustrating it can be. The itching, the scratching, the late-night Google searches, the panic. But you're not powerless. This DIY spray gives you back control without spending a fortune or putting your pet at risk. And speaking of risk, one more time, always consult your vet if your pet shows unusual symptoms or has known allergies. If you found this video helpful, do us a favor, like it, share it with a fellow pet parent, and drop a comment telling us where you're watching from and the time right now. We love connecting with viewers from all over the world. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a pet care tip that could change your furry friend's life. And let us know in the comments, have you tried a natural remedy like this before? What worked for you? We'd love to hear your story. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.